Weight loss or healthy eating. There is always debate about the best rice to consume. Whether to eat brown rice or white rice can be confusing as they both serve almost similar amount of calories. Choosing the proper rice is essential for your healthy eating journey. Hello everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, and in this video we will compare the brown rice and the white rice and which is more nutritious. So keep watching the video. One of the primary sources of carbohydrate is rice. Consumed worldwide and mainly in Asian countries, it serves as a staple food. Rice comes in different sizes, shapes and aromas. Different types of rice are the polished rice, raw rice, boiled rice, pony boiled rice, basmati rice, sticky rice, etc. But all these rice fall into one category, the white rice. One more type of rice that is widely recognized as the healthier option is the brown rice, which also comes in different shapes and sizes. So let's know more about white and brown rice and which one is good for you. White rice is produced through a refining process, thus it is stripped of the nutrients, still providing us with the essential macronutrient carbohydrate. The carbohydrates are also known as the quickest source of energy. Thus, white rice provides us with plenty of energy. Apart from the carbohydrate, the white rice also contains small amount of amino acid that promotes muscle growth. It also contains small amount of manganese and thiamine, which helps to boost the immune system and protects from diseases. The white rice can be stored easily for a much longer time. It is easy to cook as well as to digest. But the glycemic index and the carbohydrate content of the white rice is really high. Thus it can be insulin resistant and the glucose level spikes as the rice rapidly breaks down into sugar in our body, resulting in an increased risk of diabetes. Because white rice is high in carbohydrate and low in other nutrients, it is not considered healthy for everyday consumption. Even though it is a staple for many people, including me, the daily consumption must be limited, with having different types of legumes, fruits and vegetables to make up for the essential nutrients. On the other hand, brown rice is not refined and are unprocessed, as they have their side hull and bran. The side hull and bran provide the essential nutrients, making the brown rice the healthy one. It is whole grain, high in fiber, thus offering more health benefits. The brown rice is gluten-free, rich in selenium, manganese and lower glycemic index. Also rich in iron, which helps carrying the oxygen to blood cells. The brown rice helps to boost the metabolism and stabilizes the blood sugar level in the body. Brown rice is rich in naturally occurring oils, which help to lower the bad cholesterol. And because of its high fiber content, brown rice is also suitable for weight loss and maintaining a healthy weight. But cooking time of brown rice is more than white rice and it is difficult to digest. It is a whole grain, so it may lack a few minerals and other valuable nutrients necessary for the body. People with digestive problems should avoid eating brown rice, as it can be hard to digest, causing problems like stomach bloating, gas and abnormal bowel movements. Well, both white and brown rice are healthy in their own way and have their own limitations. Whatever suits your body, you can add to your diet. While brown rice is considered the healthiest one to consume because of its nutritional values, white rice is mild on body and easy to digest. Because rice is a staple diet for me, I prefer having both of them. You can eat white rice for a few days of the week and brown rice for the rest of the days. Choose a diet pattern where you can include every kind of food to your everyday diet. So that's all for today's video. I hope it was a bit informative. If you have any questions regarding the topic, please let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For health and food related articles, please visit my website at www.alllitefood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.